Amazfit GTR 4 comes with more than 150 plus profiles. I have done various videos on the subject like comparing its accuracy with Garmin. However, recently one of you asked us to test the golf profile on Amazfit GTR 4. So here we are with the video. To be precise, Amazfit comes with golf swing profile, not golfing. So as the name suggests, it will track your swings, not your course or any other metric. You will find the profile in workouts. When you will open the golf swing profile, it will ask you to select the direction of the golf swing. Select the direction that is appropriate to you. Now, you can start your golf swing tracking. However, before you do that, I would recommend checking the assistant settings. Open it and here you will find workout goal and alerts option. Using these options, you can set alerts for time, calories consumed, enable water drink reminder and more. So do explore these options before beginning your golf swing tracking. You can also change the swing direction using the more option below. Now let's begin the golf swing tracking. As you can see on the first data screen, I can see hand speed and tempo. Switching the data screen will show me the number of swings for the current set. It will keep changing with more swings you do. You can also see workout duration and real-time heart rate data. Scrolling below will show workout duration, swing counter, average heart rate and calories burned. Below this screen, you will find heart rate graph. Pressing the back button will finish the first set or a hole. And now you can begin tracking your second hole swings. Once you will end the workout, you will be able to see training effect, stats overview like number of swings, calories burned, workout duration, heart rate zone, and on the final screen you will find set details. As you can see, we did 2 sets. I can see my time spent, number of swings it took me to complete my set, and average heart rate for the set. So guys, that's the golfing profile you get on Amazfit GTR 4. What do you think about it? Do you like it or do you think other smartwatch brand does it better? Tell me in the comment down below as I will be reading them. With that, it's time to say goodbye. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.